In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ChatGPT create audios? The short answer is yes, and there are two big sides to it: generating spoken audio from text and creating the written content that becomes great audio. First, let's talk about text-to-speech. ChatGPT can turn your written words into natural-sounding voice output on supported platforms. You type your message, choose an available voice, and it reads your text aloud. This is especially helpful for accessibility, quick narration, and learning. If you're practicing a new language, for example, hearing phrasing and intonation can make a big difference. To get the best results, keep sentences clear, add punctuation where you'd naturally pause, and consider shorter paragraphs for smoother delivery. Where options exist, try a few voices to match the tone you want, from friendly to formal. Beyond speaking text, ChatGPT also helps you create the content that becomes audio. It can draft scripts for podcasts, videos, and voiceovers, and it's strong at generating dialogue, storytelling, and narration. If you need a song outline, a speech, or a presentation, you can ask for structured, sectioned content that's ready to record. Give it context like your audience, length, and style, and it can produce a clean, audio-ready script quickly. You can even request cues for pauses or emphasis to guide your reading. There's also a voice interaction side. On supported platforms, you can talk to ChatGPT in voice mode and hear spoken answers in real time. It works a lot like a virtual assistant, making it easy to ask follow-up questions or adjust directions without typing. This is great when your hands are busy and you still want to brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, or get quick explanations. For clear results, speak at a steady pace and confirm key details if something matters, like a time or a number. A few limitations to keep in mind. Audio quality depends on the platform and the voice model you're using. Some voices sound more natural than others, and advanced control, like multi-track mixing, detailed timing, or special effects, usually requires additional audio editing apps. In practice, ChatGPT shines for education, content creation, and productivity, where fast voice generation and conversational assistance matter most. It helps you move from idea to spoken output quickly, then you can refine with dedicated tools if you need studio polish. So, can ChatGPT create audios? Absolutely. By speaking your text aloud, helping you craft scripts, and holding real-time voice conversations, it makes audio production faster, clearer, and more accessible.